Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How is it going? I'm all dressed up for you today because today is my birthday. Woohoo! Happy birthday to me. I'm 26 today. I say it's my birthday. However, I'm being a bit of a time traveler. It's actually the 28th of November for me. My birthday's not for another week or so. For you guys, this is going live on my birthday. As always, there is very loud drilling happening outside my window, so sorry about that. For you, today is the last day of Project 265. It ends today. So I thought it would be fitting to do a little update for you guys on how I'm finding Project 265, also give you a little check-in with my measurements and my weight. And of course, this video is kindly in collaboration with Fitbit. In case you are new here, I have an ongoing partnership with Fitbit, and I use the Fitbit Sense 2 to track my steps, to track my workouts, to track my sleep, to track stress. It is a all-rounder. My goal for Project 265 was to make myself feel the best that I possibly can in the situation that I'm in, both mentally and also physically. So I only have about 1 week left of this challenge, and I can honestly say the effect that it has had on me emotionally has been enormous. I have not felt as good as I feel right now in a long time, and you guys know that. It's been very apparent from my frequency of uploads, what I'm uploading. You've all been commenting on how happy I seem at the moment, and genuinely I think it's because I've got routine, I have structure, and I'm doing stuff for myself every single day. Having my daily gratitude list really helps me stay in a positive mindset. Exercise is obviously amazing for my mental health. And also, my body is changing and I'm feeling really, really confident in my body. I feel the most in tune with it I have felt in a very, very long time. I'm feeling really strong and it's feeling habitual. I don't feel like it's a challenge anymore. I feel like I've finally gotten back into a really good routine that feels natural and feels like a routine. So I'm loving it. Project 265, thank you. Thank you for being amazing. Because genuinely, I feel great. And you know, that's not just because of the physical results, which I will show you. It's not the end results. I'm gonna do another check-in at the very end when I'm actually finished. As of now, like, I'm really pleased with how I'm feeling and how I'm looking, and my strength is still going up. Obviously, the name of the game with Project 265 is consistency, being consistent every single day for 65 days. I have found my Fitbit extremely motivating and helpful in helping me stay consistent with my steps, my 10,000 steps a day goal. My Fitbit has held me accountable. It reminds me every hour to do 250 steps. It helps to gamify it. It makes it more fun when you feel like you're trying to beat yourself. And that is basically all this is. It's trying to improve yourself. Your only competition is yourself in this. You're not comparing yourself to anyone else. You're just trying to improve yourself. And I'm a simple being. I like games. I like things to feel fun. So having step goals and tracking them on my watch is really fun for me, and yeah, keeps me consistent and keeps me accountable. I also love looking back at my workouts and having a log of all of the exercise and all of the effort that I've put in over the past 65 days, all on the Fitbit app. And it makes me feel really proud when I look back at it, and I'm like, there are days here where I did not want to do this and I did it anyway. And it's a really nice feeling to be like, I pushed myself and I've challenged myself and I've achieved my goals basically every single day. I've not been perfect. There have been a few days where I've not hit my steps. I have taken a few extra rest days. I have not read 10 pages every single day. I'm gonna hold my hands up. That's the one I really struggle with. I really struggle with the reading, but I'm reading more than I was before the challenge, which is really all this is about. It's about improvement, not perfection. Progress, not perfection. My daily gratitude list, I've kept up with that. 10 minutes of tidying a day has been game-changing for me. Like, it's genuinely made such a difference around my house, because once I do the 10 minutes, I usually want to do a little bit more. It's just setting up some healthy routine for me, and my mental health has skyrocketed in the past 2 weeks. I think it's taken about a month for me to get it into a routine and to not feel a bit tired all the time of having to try and do all of these things. Now that I don't feel like I'm fighting myself to get them done, I feel like I've got more energy and more mental space to be creative again, and relax and enjoy myself again. I've not felt this productive in so long, and I just feel really great, honestly. So you will have seen recently I posted my workouts of the week video. That is what I've been doing every single week. Since Project 265 started, I have kept up with my workouts, and food-wise, I have stayed in my calorie deficit basically the whole time. I've taken a few days off of tracking to help my brain relax, to enjoy myself a little bit more than usual. I've limited myself to alcohol once a week, and some weeks I've not had any at all. I said in my Q&A that the way to get out of a dark place is to look at it like a ladder. And honestly, I feel like Project 265 for me has been the building of a ladder. I feel like I'm running up the ladder. And every day, because all of these, is it a rung? A rung of a ladder? Because all of the rungs have already been cemented in my routine, it doesn't feel like a challenge anymore. And I feel like it's really helped me get out of quite a dark place, like a mental state. And I feel really, really good. And I wanted to bring in my 26th birthday feeling better, and honestly, I can honestly say I am. Like, I just feel lighter, not just physically, but mentally lighter. I feel so much better in myself, and I know that I've looked after myself for the past few months, and I feel proud of that. So yeah, mental health wise, check-in wise, feeling really positive, really excited for the next 10-ish days for me to see where I'm feeling at the end. Shall we do a little physical check-in? Because I weighed in this morning. So this morning I weighed in at 163.1 pounds, which means that my total loss so far is 13.3 pounds. My body fat percentage at the beginning was 31.8%. and I am now at 28.2%. That's quite good. And my waist measurement was 33.3 and it is now 29.6. So the end of Project 265 isn't the end of my cut. My cut is until the end of the year. There's a few weeks in the chart afterwards because I technically don't finish my cut until the end of the year. Project 265 wise, we only have one more weigh-in. I'm not gonna do my measurements next Monday. I'm just gonna leave the gap between this one and the next one as 10 days. This morning was my last time checking in until the end of Project 265, which I will film and I will tell you all about it, my final results. But at the moment, I'm super happy. 13.3 pounds in 8 weeks. There's a week missing in the chart because I did a starting weight because I missed a week at the beginning. It's a bit confusing, but anyway, 8 weeks, 13.3 pounds. My strength is still going up. I have loads of energy. I think I've put myself in a really good, comfortable deficit where I'm still eating all the foods that I love and enjoy. I still have a good amount of energy. I'm not ravenously hungry all the time. Clearly, it is bringing me some results and I'm so thrilled with it. Just a really, really quick check-in. Genuinely, just a little hi. This is where we're at. The best birthday present I could ask for is feeling good mentally and physically, and it's a gift to myself that I have worked for the past, today's day 57. Yeah, today's day 57. So the past 57 days I've been working to earn my birthday present, and it just makes me feel really proud and happy. If you are feeling unmotivated or in a little bit of a slump right now, I can't recommend enough setting yourself a few daily little goals. They don't have to be as many as mine. They don't have to be really big. And I'm going to talk more about this in the new year, starting a new little challenge with you guys in the new year. Making a few little tweaks to your lifestyle can make a huge difference over time. It didn't work overnight. It didn't work over 2 weeks, but 8 weeks of consistently showing up for myself has made such a huge difference. Genuinely, I'm not just saying this, I really, really, truly mean it. And if it inspires you guys to do the same, then I really hope that it helps you too. That is my little check-in. I am gonna go now. I hope I'm having a great birthday when this video goes live. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Thank you to Fitbit for working with me. I will link the Sense 2 down below if you'd like to get it as a tool for your own fitness journey. I love you so much. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.